Rebels, welcome back. It's Mirror today. Leslie is not here. We weren't able to meet, so we had to record 2 different episodes without another. So here I am, all tired, exhausted, and feeling a little sleepy, I guess. My voice is hoarse too. I hope so. You all have noticed this. And I was thinking about that कि किस टॉपिक पे बात की जाए आज, क्योंकि I am really exhausted to talk about anything, but I have to because I care about you all and you need something to motivate you even if I am exhausted myself. तो जिंदगी यही चलते रहने का नाम है, यही आपको पता है, और हमने चलते ही रहना है नो मैटर व्हाट. जब किसी की डेथ भी हो जाती है तो उसके लिए दुनिया नहीं रुकती. तो इसीलिए अगर आप थके हुए हैं तो आपके लिए दुनिया नहीं रुकेगी. सिर्फ आपको थकते हुए भी चलना पड़ेगा दुनिया के साथ साथ, लाइफ के साथ साथ. लाइफ कंटिन्यूज, लाइफ गोज ऑन, you know. And I was thinking about it's really hard, especially in today's world, especially how environment is around us this time. It's really hard to go all out and do everything on your own when you are an independent woman, when you are an hyper independent woman. You can't depend on anyone else. You have to do everything by yourself. Oh, but at least you have freedom. That's the first plus point of being an independent woman. Like, you have your own control on everything you are doing in your own life. You are doing your career choices on yourself. You are doing jobs yourself. You are earning for yourself. And you are striving and struggling for yourself. This is not something that everyone can do. This is something that only resilient people like me and you are able to do. Someone always says to me that I am too much resilient and humble and patient, but it's just how life has shaped me, my life, how I survived different things in life and how I just learned things, observed and learned. That was my everything. Something I think about, sometimes I think about that maybe I am autistic a little bit or neurodivergent, but anyways, we don't have to go for labels. I hope so that you are also able to relate with me a little bit. When you have a different thought process than most of the individuals around you, most of people around yourself, you feel a little weird, a little odd. You feel like an oddball, but you are not. You are just more intelligent than the others. I'm not saying that I'm intelligent. I'm saying that the people who think differently are intelligent. And maybe I'm intelligent. I'm just humble enough to not admit that. And उस और किस चीज़ पर मैं बात करूँ? Maybe you should recommend topics for us to discuss in the next episode together. I hope so. Our next episode will be together. We'll make sure of that. So please comment down. Or any questions, any queries you have, anything you want motivation in your life for, anything you want us to discuss for yourself, anything you want us to be your voice that you can't say aloud, we'll say aloud for you. then be prepared and be ready to speak for yourself, because once in your life when you are at certain age you will be pushed to do everything on your own. अब थोड़े ही अरसे की बात है, अगर आप यंगस्टर हैं, if you are in your teenage, then you are in the golden period of your life, I'm telling you. Because after 20s, after your adulthood, after you cross that threshold into adulthood from a teenager, you are pushed to do certain things on your own. No one is here to catch you when you fall. You have to build strength. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just telling you how life is, especially in 2025 and especially in developing countries or underdeveloped countries. If you are from one like me, when inflation has destroyed every dream a youngster could have, जब हर जगह महंगाई है and you have to just survive through life, build a future where you can feel secure, so you have to do certain things. And I think my 20s will be all about building my future, building my 30s, so I can do something in my life or feel a little bit more secure and more at ease as I am now. I hope so that future will come for me, and I hope that future is already in your hands. I really, really hope that. और मतलब दुनिया हमें जितनी मुश्किलात दें, बस हमें अल्लाह ताला पे यकीन रखना चाहिए और आगे मूव करते रहना है हमने. बस the only thing you have to do is not look back. That is the only. If I have to advise someone in one sentence, I will advise this: don't look back. Don't go back or look back to your past. It will destroy your future. I am telling you, it's my personal experience. I am not talking about anyone else. I am not suggesting about anyone else. I am talking from my own experience. You have to come out of it yourself. You have to come out of your past yourself. Because I've seen people, मैंने कुछ लोगों को देखा है जो सिर्फ अपने पास्ट में ही रह जाते हैं, वो अपने फ्यूचर का नहीं सोचते, and that is the one thing that destroys your future and your present as well. So अपने माजी को नहीं देखना आपने बस आगे की तरफ मूव करना है. बस अल्लाह ताला भी यकीन रखें एंड मूव फॉरवर्ड. और कोशिश करें, और कोशिश भी ना करें और देखिएगा रास्ते इंशाल्लाह आप लोग के लिए खुद ब खुद खुलेंगे, क्योंकि अल्लाह ताला देखता है. अगर आपकी मेहनत है कोई भी नहीं देख रहा, लेकिन अल्लाह ताला देखते हैं. एंड व्हेन यू बिकम हाइपर इंडिपेंडेंट, तो जब आपके पास कोई भी नहीं होता तो आपके पास अल्लाह ताला होते हैं. That's the one thing you have to believe, and that's the one thing I have come to believe, and it has really opened ways for me in other ways that I never even thought about. अल्लाह ताला ने मेरे लिए ऐसे ऐसे रास्ते खोले हैं जैसे कि मैं कभी सोच भी नहीं सकती. I was introverted to the core. I was socially anxious. लेकिन अब बात देख लें, I am on YouTube where I becoming the voice of others. मुझे कभी ज़िंदगी में लगता था कि मुझे अल्लाह ताला को मेरे साथ किसी एक शख्स को बांध देना चाहिए था कि जो मुझे लेके मतलब जो मुझे दुनिया में आगे लेके जा सके. I am not talking about a romantic relationship. It could be anyone, like a friend, like a relative. लेकिन अल्लाह ताला ने मेरी वो ऐसी सुनी कि मुझे अब अकेले ही मैं बेस्टी को लेके फिरती हूँ अब जगह जगह. We are both so introverted that one of us have to become an extrovert for the other, and that extrovert is me. When it comes to bestie, she's more introverted than me. also. So I hope so that my tired voice is bringing back your senses somewhat, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, be your best.